northeastern Ohio until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line of...
Let me see if WXL51's relaying this.
Feeling Erie open lake forecast.
Okay, they're good. That's a huge walk wall.
Expect damage
Done it.
in power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Marion, Ashland, Mount Vernon, Mount Gilead, Galion, Shelby, Ontario, Lexington, Crestline, Loudonville, Fredericktown, Dampier, Utica, Cardington, Belleville, Plymouth, Centerburg, Ashley, and Prospect. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north central and northeastern Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties.
Caught that?